In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes app and clicking on one of those sections at the bottom and selecting themes in each one to select a perfect one for you. When you find the best one, you need to buy it, or in my case, click free download at the bottom. Then hit download and install. If you want to select customize and adjust all of those options and hit apply, or just hit apply right away. Then decide if you wish to keep or discard magazine unlock option. And wait. As you can see, after that, my device's theme has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always go into settings, scroll down and click on home screen and style. Then select themes and tap on one of those. When you finished, hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!